Hey guys, Mark here, Blue Glow Electronics. For a long time I've been wanting to get me a small little turntable on my bench for testing out phono stages, carts, and whatnot. And I came to the conclusion this isn't quite going to fit. Just kidding with you guys. What this is today is just a little teaser for upcoming restoration video on my Fairchild 752. I thought today we might drop the needle. This thing is flat out amazing. Oliver Nelson's one of the coolest cats I know. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to get back to editing this Fairchild restoration video. Hopefully have it to you here in the next couple days, maybe a week or so. Thanks for watching, everybody.